If you find no water from the water dispenser, please check it according to the following steps. Cause summary. If there's no water, the reasons may be 1. Water inlet trouble. 2. Fridge not set properly. 3. The fridge no cooling. Solution. Check whether the water tap connected to the refrigerator is closed so that no water flows in, and ensure that the water tap is opened normally. Check if the water pipe has leakage. Reconnect the water pipe. When the refrigerator is used for the first time, the water bottle is empty, and cold water can only be delivered after it is filled with water. If you add water manually, you need to ensure the water level of the bottle and install it in place after cleaning. In summer, frequent water withdrawals may cause the water not cold enough. Please pay attention to the water taking frequency. If problem is still not solved, please contact our higher customer service.